In today's video, I'll teach you how to allow TikTok access to your camera and microphone. So if you want to allow TikTok the access to your camera and microphone, you'll have to do it through the device settings. For that, what you have to do is launch open app library on your device, find the application for TikTok and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info. After you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of TikTok. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for permissions and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app permissions interface. You'll be able to find the allowed permissions and not allowed permissions over here. Simply find the option for camera and tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to manage the camera access. You'll be able to find three options over here. Tap on this option, allow only while using the app. Now after you do that, you've granted the camera permission. Now in order to grant the microphone permission, simply go back. Now find the option for microphone and tap on it. Now here too, tap on this option, allow only while using the app. Now go back. Now you can see over here the microphone permission has also been granted. Now after you do that, TikTok will be allowed to access your camera and microphone. So that is how you allow TikTok access to your camera and microphone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.